kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter U. Are you ready? Let's go! U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for unicorn. Unicorn. U for up. Up. U for under. Under. Let's repeat it again. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for up. U for under. U for utensils. Utensils. U for uniform. Uniform. U for upside. Upside. U for umpire. Umpire. Let's repeat it again. U for utensils. U for uniform. U for upside. U for umpire. U for unhappy. Unhappy. U for upwards. Upwards. U for unzip. Unzip. U for update. Update. Let's repeat it again. U for unhappy. U for upwards. U for unzip. U for update. U for universe. Universe. U for useful. Useful. U for unicycle. Unicycle. U for underline. Underline. Let's repeat it again. U for universe. U for useful. U for unicycle. U for underline. U for uncle. Uncle. U for underwater. Underwater. U for underground. Underground. U for ukulele. Ukulele. Let's repeat it again. U for uncle. U for underwater. U for underground. U for ukulele. Now you've learned the letter U. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, U for umbrella. What is this? Great, U for unicorn. What is this? Good job, U for underground. Who do we call our father's or mother's brother? Yes, U for uncle. What do we do to open our jacket zip? Right, U for unzip. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter V.